it is Venus, and today I'm going to show you a very simple tutorial on how to supersize your eyes. The goal is to make your eyes look like double the size, well, at least double. Well, double is a little bit too much maybe, but a lot bigger than they actually are, because I like big eyes and it is my go-to look. I'm quite obsessed with making my eyes look bigger. I don't know, it's just cute. Like, this wouldn't be so cute if it didn't have big eyes, right? These are very big. Anyway, eyes should be big in proportion to your entire face. So let's supersize them. Let's go! So first, let's start with shading. I use this shading powder here. It is Chanel's shading powder number 15 Orchid Rose. It looks like this. Like this. And I'll apply it on a blending brush. Small round blending brush. Small rounded blending brush. And then on your crease, like, just go above your crease. And don't touch your eyelid. Go above your crease and shade it. That wasn't very elegant, I'm sorry. Then you smile. That's creepy. Okay, then you smile and you do the same on your under eye bag. Under eyelid, under eyelid. Then you do the same on your under eyelid. Okay. I also try to connect the upper and lower shadow. Repeat the same process on your other eye. Okay, with this we have kind of creativity base. Now let's go on to the next step. I'm going to get this Too Faced knockoff chocolate eyeshadow. This is similar to the shading powder, before, but kind of not this and glittery. I applied on an angled brush and then add color on your crease again. Oh my gosh! And how creative on your lower lid again. Repeat on the same eye. No, on the other eye, not the same eye. Okay. Okay, looks good and pretty natural. Then for finishing step, so many colors, I don't know which one to choose. I literally came up with this tutorial just right now. I choose you! A pretty golden color. Gold. To attract the money gods. And then kind of mix it in with the pink shadow. I came up with this right now. Oh yeah, this looks okay. This looks actually pretty good. Good. Fantastic. Awesome! Amazing! Fuck yeah! Then I'll take this very light color, and it is blending time, so we just blend that together so it looks all smooth and not awkward. Yay! Looks bigger to me. Okay. Then I'll get, finally, Too Faced has come to Japan, and they're selling also the chocolate palette. So finally, a non-knockoff Too Faced product. This glitter thingy here, it is so pretty. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're going to smear that on our under eye bags. Can't stop looking at the sparkle that's going on here. From the very inner corner of your eye, all to go all over your eyelid. You can even add some at the beginning here, just at the inner corner of your upper eyelid. Just at the beginning. See how much bigger it makes your eyes look. Fantastic. Lastly, we'll put on mascara. This is Heroine Make. The brand is called Heroine Make. It's a Japanese brand. Volume and Curl Mascara, super waterproof. So what is so special about this mascara? It is the cheapest and most lash lengthening, lash thickening mascara that you can get. It has even won several prizes. It doesn't clump either, unlike other cheaper drugstore mascara. This is a drugstore brand, by the way. It's only about like $8, $10, which is really good, like US dollar. Kind of add that all over your lashes. We can make it really mascara heavy because we don't use any eyeliner today, so you can like make them really thick and long. If you used eyeliner on top of that, it looked too heavy. So that's it. I hope we were able to at least bigger our eyes for maybe 1/3 of your original size. Thank you for watching. I hope these tips helped you, and see you soon in my next video. Bye bye boo. Bye bye.